half in the back. I can't believe we've been stuck here for over a month now. If we get really desperate, we could eat all the rats that live in the back of the shop. But with our luck, the rats will have the bubonic plague.
And the saddest thing is that my birthday came and went, and nobody even noticed.
You're wrong, Jay. I noticed. Wait, right here.
Oh my God! Wow, with candles and everything. Although it's kind of sad, I probably shouldn't blow them out, you know, just in case I'm asymptomatic.
E-candles. I paid $1,000 for all these. They have some kind of digital timer in them that knows when to blow out. They even have a little microphone in each one that can tell when you're done singing the happy birthday song. Super advanced technology. Very expensive. Well, it's good we got these face shields.
Where did you say you got these candles?
I got them at the fireworks store. I'm so stupid. Are you gonna eat that?